Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be sharing some new stickers from LTL Print House. These are already released, so they're currently available on their Etsy shop. I'll have them linked down in the description, but look how cute these are. I love like the little doodles, perfect for back to school, which I know is coming up. My mom's a teacher and I believe she just told me she starts work next week. They're year round. So she starts in July. And I keep seeing all the back to school stuff popping up. So yeah, it's definitely right around the corner. So I'm going to go over these stickers. I'm also going to do a plan with me featuring these, and I'm really excited about the plan with me. So let's go over the stickers. So here's the first sheet. I love the little clusters with the outline of the colors. I think that's so cute. So can't wait to use these. And then we have some like washi strips. Some of them are quotes. Some of them are decorative. Love that. And then we just have some doodles, books, a little coffee cup. I love these doodles. They look literally like somebody just took a pencil, like very rough, but I love that look. So cute. And these are all paper. Then we have some quotes. Eat, sleep, plan, repeat. Planning is my love language. Dream it, plan it, do it. And then look how cute these are. I love like little sticky notes, and then like the little, looks like little tape or washi tape on the corners. So cute. So again, these are currently available to purchase on LTL's Etsy shop. So I'll have that linked down in the description. I am now going to do a plan with me. So I have my social media planner here. I already pre-did this in a pre-planning video. This is going to be for next week, and I felt like this, I just randomly did this, but I feel like this kind of works, the colors. So I'm going to use this spread to decorate, and it's kind of perfect because this is the teacher layout, and I feel like this is like, you know, back to school, so it kind of goes. So I'm going to use these to decorate the spread. Okay, so I got my pages out. Now I'm just going to go, I really want to work with these first. I think these are so cute. So this one, since it's made for the corner, definitely going in this corner right here. And then people always ask me, like, if I have something pop up here and I need this space, you just like put a box over it. It's not a big deal. For now, that's how it's going to look. But look how cute that is. Okay, so next, I really like this one too. The only problem is I don't want to cover up the YouTube section too much, because that one I do use a lot of it. So I'm trying to figure out like how could I use this. I guess I could use it like in the middle. Oh, I rarely do stuff on Instagram. I'm so bad with Instagram. So I'm just gonna stick it there. Okay. And then I got these two other pieces. So let me see which one will best work over here. Oops, almost ripped it. Oh, I did rip it. Okay. So, okay, I'm gonna put it here, and then I'm gonna put a box with it. So you can see how that'll look. And then this one I'm just gonna stick here, this side. Cute. Oh, I have one more piece. I'm just gonna stick this here. So I had to stop filming because there was a gardener and it was just too noisy. So now I can start again. Okay, so I put those down. Now I have these stickers. I really love these little box ones, or these big box ones. So I'm thinking I can layer this here. I think that's cute. And then, like I said, I could put a box here. Maybe cover up the one that I ripped a little bit. Actually, maybe I'll do this one. I might do it slanted. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight. Okay, cool. Okay, I got some other ones here. And again, I'm gonna go with that slanted look because I think that turned out cute. Put one there. Sorry, it's super noisy today in the neighborhood. Okay. Oh, you know what else I want to use? I want to use these. Okay, so yeah, I want to use these right here because I like these little like strips. Let's see, let's quote one. I think this will fit here, yeah. Okay, so I wanted to say something. I keep finding these like weird little bugs on my desk. I don't know what they are. It's kind of freaking me out a little bit. They're like super, super tiny. I've never seen them before, ever. I do have like my window right here, and sometimes it's open. It's not open right now. When I film, I don't have it open. But usually I do have it open, and I don't know. They're just like on the desk though. It's really weird. And they like, okay, I just found one right now. It's like freaking me out. Ugh, I'm gonna have to tell them, the maintenance people. But they look like they're still. And then like I'll go to like flick it or touch it, and then it'll move. Like they just stay still until like, oh, I just see one right now. I don't know. They're creeping me out. I don't know if anybody else has had that issue, but it's only here. Like I don't see them anywhere else. I don't have any like bites on me or anything, so great. Fun, fun, fun. Just another thing to deal with, of course. Like I'm finally starting to feel better. I don't know if I sound better, but I feel better. And now I'm seeing, now they have a new issue. Fun. Okay, so back to the plan with me. So I added the little pencils down here. I thought that was cute. This would be a cute washi, like a for real washi tape washi. That'd be super cute. I really like this plan. Thinking of just sticking it. I'm just gonna stick it here. I'm gonna cut half of it though. I can't find my my good scissors, of course. I misplaced them. That's okay. I wish I would have switched these though. Can I do that? Yes, I can. Because this paper, this sticker paper comes off so nicely. I don't know, it might be with that repositionable sticker paper. Oops, okay. I got, it's a little wet because I took the Clorox wipe and I was wiping my desk and it was a little wet up here. That's okay though. Okay, I just wanted to get like that strip quote thing on either side. So I think that works. Did I use all the boxes? No, I haven't. Okay, so I'm gonna use some more of these because I think they're cute. Scatter these around the spread a little bit. This is so fun. Oh wait, I have a couple more of these. I'm just gonna use all these because I love them. I could even do like a little layering here. That's cute. The layering is where it's at. Super cute. Okay, I'm out of boxes. That's okay. I do feel like I did leave this a little empty. Look, I have a little bug on here. Oh, jeez. I cannot with these little bugs. I think that's one too. Oh, goodness. Sorry. This is like a new thing I just started noticing a couple days ago. I don't know what's happening. Hey. Okay. So, I think I want to add maybe some of these stars. Would be cute. Yeah, the stars are cute. Let's do some stars here. I really like to get more of this splash of color. Okay. Just kind of want to use everything. Cute. I could do this plan. No, it doesn't fit. Okay. I think that's fun. This may make me want to start decorating this more. Because like I said, I don't even know if I mentioned this. I don't decorate my my social media planner too much. I do put stickers on sometimes, but I don't pre-decorate this way. I kind of do it as I go. But I think this is so cute. Okay, I think that's it. So cute. Love it. All right, so those are the stickers from LTL Print House. How adorable are they? I love how that turned out. Absolutely love. So I hope you enjoyed watching this plan with me. Again, if you want to purchase these are available on their Etsy shop. So I'll have that link down in the description. And yeah, definitely check it out. They have a bunch of other decorative stickers and functional stickers. A lot of like line art stuff, which is really pretty. So for sure, check it out if you haven't already. And that's going to be it for this plan with me. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.